Hello students, today we are going to learn the use of was, were. We use was, were in a sentence in which things has already happened. Means when we talk about the time which has already passed, then we use was, were. Like you were attending the school last year, so were. What you will say that I was attending the school last year, or you can say that I was in grade 2nd last year, right? Or let's take other example, like the weather was very fine yesterday. Means we are talking about the time, the things which has already happened. Okay, so it is called past tense. Okay, the things that already happened, when we talk about things that already happened, is called past tense. Now where do we use was? We use was with singular nouns, like one boy, when we talk about one boy, one girl, or one animal, or one object. Okay, or with those pronouns which are used in place of singular nouns, like in place of single boy Raj, we can use the pronoun he. Okay, in place of girl's name, we can use she. Okay, and we also use was with I, it, this, that, because this, that we use to indicate or to talk about one thing. Okay, so whenever we talk about singular nouns, or we are using these pronouns, then we will always use was in past tense for the thing which has already happened. Okay, means when the subject is singular and we are talking about the activities which has already taken, which has already done, so we will use was. Were, we use were with plural nouns. Okay, means more than one, like books, chairs, girls, boys, women, men's, children, right? Or pronouns which are used in place of plural nouns, like they, we. Okay, with you also, whether we are talking about one person, we are using you for one person, then also we will use were with you. Okay, those, these, those. So with these, those also, because these, those we use for more than one object. You have already learned this. Okay, now let us discuss this exercise. Fill in the blanks with is, am, was, were, or are. You know the use of is, am, and are we have already discussed. Okay, is, am, are used for the present tense. Was, were is used for past tense. Now, they dash in the country now. So as in the sentence, now is used. Now means the time which is going on, and with they, what do we use? Are. Okay, so we will write are. There dash a large crowd outside the mall last evening. There dash a large last evening means it is talking about past tense, and a large, so here we will write was. Next, he dash always good to me. Now there are few sentence, students, in which we can also fill is, or we can also fill was, because here now such words are not used, like now, last evening, last day. So in this sentence we can also fill is, we can also fill was. Okay, because with he we can use either his, is, or was. Just here we are not able to find out that whether the sentence is talking about past tense or present tense, so we can use any one of them. This dash an expensive car is it new? So is it new means it is talking about present tense. This is. Dash you at the hospital yesterday. So with you, as we have discussed, we use are or were, but here yesterday means we are talking about past tense. We will fill were. Next, I read Cinderella. I read Cinderella when I dash younger. So when younger, so means it is talking about past tense, the time which has already passed. So I was younger. I read Cinderella when I was younger. Her hair dashed thick and long before she cut it off. Now hair is never one, it's not single hair. Okay, so for hairs, now it is talking about past tense, it is clear. Now here we will use were, because with hair is also hair is itself a plural, because hair is never single hair. Okay, we dash both 7 years old now. So with we dash now means time which is going on. So we are both 7 years old now. Julie and Janet dash in the same class last year, and there are 2 persons. So for 2 persons and past tense we will use were. Julie and Janet were in the same class last year. So I hope the use of was, were and along with is, are is clear to you all. If you have any queries, send me on e-feedback. Thank you. Have a nice day.